How to turn off keyboard sounds on iPhone. So here is how to do it by these simple steps. First of all you have to do is look for the settings app on your iPhone's home screen, then simply tap on these settings. Once inside the settings app, all you have to do is scroll down and tap on the sounds and haptics option available in there. Once inside the sounds and haptics, all you have to do is scroll down and look for the keyboard option available in there and tap on it and simply toggle off the sound option available there. And once you toggle off, your keyboard sounds will be completely off. And that will be. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.